Absolutely, yeah, and I get that question a lot. I was sharing last night, I've been working with my son who's 14 now, but since he was about 9 on some basic investing together to help understand some very basic components of compound interest and personally seeing, you know how I talked about engagement here? It's the same thing. So they can see physically on a statement how that money is growing. And so I think compound interest is a big component in helping them learn how to read a bank statement. And so by coming up with some basic, common, sort of topics, that's where I would start and then build off of that. Back to, they don't need to pass a Harvard corporate finance exam, but knowing some basic components and involve them when you guys, I know it's weird, but when you're doing cash flow. Like, we don't want them to worry about stuff. And look, I get it, this whole thing is a taboo topic, but it's because we're not talking about it, it's why it's such an issue. And so I'm all about transparency.